Join me on today's ride, a round trip from Derry. I fix my tyre issues. We ride around the NW200 circuit. We visit the Giant's Causeway. And I continue to have problems with the audio using my DJI. So there will be a fair amount of video only, no audio, with a little bit of music to keep you entertained. I do hope you stick around because some of the roads are very, very entertaining and picturesque. As always, thank you very much for joining me and watching the videos. I hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. But for now, this is NooBiker.
Okay, so update on the Tyre. I found a motorcycle shop about 10 minutes away from the hotel called Mullen. Kind of hidden away in a retail park. I went there, didn't have the camera on actually. Just got back to the hotel. Didn't have the camera on, but a lovely shop, very friendly. Bike stuff, kind of small shop. They found the puncture. There wasn't anything in there. It must have been some kind of in and out stone or whatever. But it was too close to the old patch, the old mushroom. So they didn't really want to patch it again. But that's okay, the old tyre had done nearly 9,000 miles. It still had tread in it, so I've wasted a little bit of tread. I didn't get the full value. Didn't get the full value for money, but you know, that's the break sometimes. Did get just under 9,000 miles. Put new Road 6s in. Cost me a bit of money. But now I don't have to worry about a slow leak or anything like that. Just carry on my tour, get home. It's not the same, it's a 190/55 as opposed to a 190/50, so we'll have to see how it does on the turns. It doesn't really feel much different. I'm not an expert, so maybe it's just me being a bit of a noob. Yeah, but had a nice ride back to the hotel. As I said, I'm scrubbing them in now. And now I've got to go and meet the rest of the group somewhere for a coffee. Okay, so unfortunately there won't be, I don't think there will be like a full review of the Tyre. I would do one after a few thousand miles, and it was still going very, very strong after nearly 9,000 miles. As I said, still had plenty of tread in there, a good 3 mil at least. I think I measured it was like 3.5 before I set off on this trip. I was expecting to get another couple of thousand miles. Unfortunately, punctures were the demise of that tyre. I'm hoping I'm going to be a little bit more lucky with these new Michelin Road 6s. Maybe a little bit of luck of the Irish, hopefully. But yeah, keep an eye out on the channel for further updates. It's funny, I'd never had any punctures on previous tyres, and I had 2 with the Road 6. I'm sure it's just coincidence. There's not enough data really to say that they're more puncture prone. Anyway, I'll leave you for now, and I will get back to you at some other point. For now, from Derry with new tyres, this is NooBiker. So apparently we're about to start a lap of the NW200.